Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Josie, and for my today's video I will be showing to you the facial yoga. This is the anti-aging for 50 and above. Maybe some other person can also do this, but actually me at my age of late 20s, I am already doing this facial yoga, and until now I am also continuing to practice the facial yoga for, of course, for the anti-aging purpose. For those who do not know, I am already 58. So let's begin our face massage. But let me tell you first this to you. Before I begin, if you do not yet subscribe to my channel, please don't forget to hit the notification bell button so that you will be notified whenever I have a new upload video, and please don't forget also to click the like button. That will help me a lot. And after the end of my video, you can comment or make a suggestions, make a questions, or hit me if I am not correct in my demonstration. But again, disclaimer, I am not a yoga guru or yoga expert, but I am doing this since my late 20s, and now I am 50 plus. I am 58, and some of my friends say that I look younger than my age. So let's begin the facial yoga. Before you begin, of course, you need your clean hands and you need to lubricate your face, and for me, I use the aloe vera. You can use any oil in your face because that is acceptable, and we can start now. So first, we make a lubrication around our face, and this is also the warm-up exercise for our face, because we are doing this to stimulate the flow of the blood around our face and on our eyes. And later, we will also massage the lymphatic drainage. Okay, let's begin the massage by this one. This is the first step. This is for the jawline. Repeat this for 10 times. And then this one, to reshape your face. And then this one, this is my favorite strokes. You can repeat this as many times as you want. And for those who are asking if they can do the facial massage every day, yes, of course, you can do it every day. Then, by pressing here,